Good morning, guys. Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I'm starting a new week of what I packed my husband for lunch. Today is Monday, and I'm getting ready to pack up his work cooler. I'm giving him a Canada Dry ginger ale in the orangeade flavor. They also came out with a lemonade ginger ale for summer. He's been really liking these Lala protein smoothies, so this one is the tropical mango, which he said he's been having like in the mornings, and he really likes them. I gave him a mozzarella wrapped with prosciutto stick from BJ's, a couple little Reese cups, a couple hard-boiled eggs cut in half with salt and pepper, and then for his sandwich I made a batch of chicken salad over the weekend, and it's just roasted chicken with mayo, red onion, some chopped up red grapes. You can see one right popping out there, some celery, and it's really good. And then I also cut up a bunch of these strawberries here. They're really good right now because they're pretty much coming into season at this point. And there's like 8 large cut up strawberries in there. But yeah, this is his lunch today, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. Today for lunch I'm packing Matt a a tropical mango yogurt smoothie, a Lipton citrus green tea, this huge sandwich which you saw me make. This bread is huge. It's the Arnold 22 grain seed bread, and not only is it huge, it's very dense and hearty, so it really is very filling. So I made some tuna salad. Again, you guys saw me make it. So this has tuna salad, baby Swiss, and romaine on this, again, that very dense bread. Some leftover pasta salad from last weekend that I put a little Parm cheese on. I just have to grab a little fork. This is just a small little container because the sandwich is so big. A cheese stick, and then I also made some brownies over the weekend. And these are what we have left. So I just put 2 brownies in this little bag as like a little treat. So it looks small, but it's very substantial because the size of the sandwich, he'll probably barely be able to finish it. It's big. And then this as well for a little snack is pretty filling. But anyways, we will see you guys tomorrow on Wednesday. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday, and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Gatorade Flow in the pineapple mango, a regular old ginger ale, of course the water cooler as always. The sandwich today is on a brioche roll from Walmart with romaine lettuce, some tuna fish, the last of the tuna fish actually, and then some cheese, and I actually sandwiched the tuna fish between the lettuce and the cheese so it's not directly touching the roll since these are very soft. I'm also giving him one of these Oscar Mayer natural. These are the meat and cheese plates. They have a lot of protein. They're 16 grams per package. And these again are the natural, so there's no artificial ingredients, preservatives, hormones, or flavors or colors. So this one is the honey smoked turkey breast with Asiago cheese and like Triscuit crackers, and you can make like little cracker sandwiches. A couple brownies. These are just really tiny brownies that I made Sunday. Some red grapes that I just rinsed and patted dry so they're not all wet. And this is lunch today. We will see you guys tomorrow on Thursday. Good morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm going to give him a pineapple mango Gatorade Flow and then one of the Canada Dry ginger ale with lemonade. The wrap you guys saw me make is on that jalapeno cheddar mission wrap, and then it has some pepper jack cheese, some spicy mustard, some pastrami, and some romaine lettuce. Really good combination. And we haven't had pastrami in forever, so I thought it was a nice change. I got a granola bar from from Trader Joe's. It's a vanilla almond granola bar, a Sargento Colby Jack cheese stick, some black olives, and then I made up a little bag of like a trail mix. I went to Trader Joe's a couple days ago and got a whole bunch of different nuts and things. So I got some hazelnuts, some coconut strips. These are really good, by the way. I got some banana chips, and I also got some less salt almonds. In addition to this, I also got some dried apricots, but my husband does not really like apricots, dried ones at least. So anyways, I took a little from each bag and just made like a little, you know, trail mix kind of thing. It's much cheaper to buy bigger bags and portion it out into smaller bags. Much cheaper. But anyways, guys, this is lunch today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. We made it to the end of the week. Today for Matt's lunch, I'm giving him an Orange Crush soda, one of these Lala Protein Fusion smoothies. This one is the vitamin C charged, and it has 5 grams of protein, and it's in the banana berry flavor. I get these at Walmart, by the way. The sandwich here is on this like crusty ciabatta bread roll from Trader Joe's, and I had a chicken salad sandwich out for lunch yesterday or the day before, I can't even remember. And the sandwich was so huge that I couldn't finish half of it, so I actually just took the chicken salad portion of it home since I knew the bread would be soggy. And it was still nice and fresh. I tasted it, so I actually put it on my husband's sandwich today, so it was nice because I couldn't eat the sandwich, so rather than throw it out, I was able to salvage the beautiful chicken salad. So chicken salad with cheese, and then the chicken salad has a ton of different stuff in it. Walnuts, cranberries, celery, onion. So that'll be a nice sandwich for him. One of these Roltini prosciutto wrapped mozzarella sticks, a marshmallow peanut butter granola bar, and then I made him a little bag of like a trail mix with organic banana chips and low salt almonds and hazelnuts and some peanut butter M&Ms, just like a little snack bag from all of the bulk things I got at Trader Joe's. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's What's for Lunches, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye, guys.